Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Another update on the works that is currently being undertaken at our Savura repair site. We are pleased to announce that as of earlier today, we were able to recommission our Waimanu pumping station. Our inflow into Tamavua water treatment plant has now increased from the 20 megaliters a day to 40 megaliters a day. And I'd like to take this time to thank our partners Flame Tree for working through trying conditions to secure the first of the two assets that we were working on to restore supply into Tamavua water treatment plant. As we speak, the welding team from our partners Elisa Engineering are currently on site carrying out welding works. Their welding works will commence shortly. We're facing a bit of delay because as you can see, it is raining, and then as we had stated earlier, the progress of our repair works is weather dependent. Based on our timelines, the welding works is expected to be completed within a timeline of 10 to 12 hours. So we're looking at 6 a.m. tomorrow morning. We do apologize that this is a delay, but it is a delay caused by something that we have no control over, which is the rain that you see that is falling at the moment in Tamavua and Wailuku. In terms of our restoration plans, once we complete our welding works around 6 a.m. to 8 a.m. tomorrow morning, then it'll take us about another 4 hours to normalize inflow into Tamavua. While I'm saying that, I also just want to reiterate that with the current rain condition, turbidity is expected as well to increase the Waimanu River, and that does have an impact on the production at our water treatment plant. We ask that you will bear with us. There might be some delays in restoration of water supply into specific areas, but we are working as fast as we can given the conditions we currently have to restore services. Restoration of services to our customers within the Suvalami area is expected to commence from tomorrow evening after we have carried out the reservoir replenishment level for Tamavua water treatment plant, shipping reservoir, and also our Turek reservoir down in Turaki. At this time, I continue to thank our customers for your continued patience. It's been a trying 3 days for everyone, and it's been a real challenge when the water supply is not available. We are working as hard as we can to get services restored to each and every one of you during this Easter weekend. And again, we do apologize for the inconvenience caused, and we look forward and thank you for your continued support. So I'd like to take this time to continue thanking our partners who are still working with us, the team from NDMO and from the different ministries who continue to provide us with their support, whether it's logistics, materials or manpower. We also would like to take this time to thank them during these works at Savura. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. That's it from me this evening.